How to make a Snapchat account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. At the bottom, you'll find sign up option. Click on sign up. After you have clicked on sign up, add your first name and last name and then press on agree and continue. After you have pressed on that, you'll need to add your birth date. Select your birth date and press on continue. Then make sure that's your username and press on continue. Set your password and then press on continue again. Then add your email. After you've added your email, press on continue. Add your number if you want or just skip which is at the top right. Create a bit emoji or create it later and skip it, and as you can see, my account has been created. This is how to make a Snapchat account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.